Hey there, YouTube friends. Let me show you the project for today. The plan is to put a TV above the fireplace right there so we could watch a couple of hundred terrible, useless channels. But before we can do that, I have to run electric somewhere around there. And my plan is to go into this mudroom over here. And when we first bought the house, they had the cable just tacked to the wall. So I cleaned it up a little bit and I put a couple of surface mount junction boxes in. So the plan is just to tap into that box right there, come across here, go through the wall and out the other side. So that's what we're going to do today. Alright, so I bought an old work box and I want it to go right about there. And if I take my stud finder, see I got a stud there and a stud there. So provided there's nothing blocking me, I can just put the outlet right here and run the cable right down. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is shut the power off at the breaker. Alright, just to give you an idea of how this goes before I get up there and do the work, is we have this adapter that screws in there. And we have the pipe that goes in there. We run the wire through the pipe into the box and then down the wall. Fairly simple. Okay, now I just want to mark the length of my pipe. So make a mark there and cut it. Okay, now we're just going to cut the pipe. Alright, now I'm just going to put my level on it, make sure I have it level, and I'm good like that. Okay, now I'm going to mark where I want my hole in the wall. Okay, now I'm going to drill a hole to fish the wire through. Alright, so I'm going to put the box there. So I just have to mark the outline of the box. Alright, so we're through. Okay, I ran the cable into the box and I'm just securing the box to the wall now. So I have my wire connections hooked up. Try to get a shot of it. Ground to green, neutral to the silver, and the black to the brass. Now I'm going to wrap it with electrical tape just to be on the safe side. Okay, you can see I have the surface mount box attached to the wall. I ran the cable through the conduit pipe and we're attached to the other box. Now I got to make the wire connections. Okay, I made the connections to the one box, black to black, white to white, and copper to copper. I'm just going to wrap them with electrical tape now because that's what I like to do, and then we'll seal up the box. Okay, connections are made in this box and I'm just putting the cover on. And now we'll turn the power on and see how we did. Alright, so I have it plugged into the new outlet. Let's see if it works. There we go. So now we could clean up and put the TV on the wall.